different types of parabola. You have to study 4 types of parabola, and you have to study only the parabola with vertex at the origin. Vertex at the origin. So this is x-axis, y-axis. First type parabola, equation of this parabola is y square equal to 4ax. So in this is the first type parabola, y square equal to 4ax. So this is the vertex, x-axis, y-axis, and this is the origin. So this parabola has the vertex at the origin. This is called vertex. So vertex is at the origin, and for that parabola, focus always lies inside the parabola. So here inside, so A0 is the focus of this type of parabola, y square equal to 4ax. See, in this type, second degree, power of y is 2 and power of x is 1. Then here focus of the parabola is a comma 0, a0. So from y square equal to 4ax we can find a. So then we can find focus a0, and directrix will be outside, opposite side. So this side is positive side of x-axis, therefore here a0, and remember a is always a positive number. So focus is a0, so directrix, this is the directrix. So the equation of the directrix is x equal to minus n. It is a line parallel to y-axis. So the equation of the line parallel to y-axis is x equal to a constant, and that constant is x equal to minus a, because this is a negative side of x-axis. So x equal to negative a is the equation of directrix for this first type parabola. And length of the lattice rectum 4a. Length of the lattice rectum means a line segment perpendicular to the axis through the focus. So length of that line segment, lattice rectum, length of lattice rectum will be 4a for this parabola y square equal to 4ax. So this is the first type parabola. This parabola is opening right side, opening right side, vertex at the origin. For all the 4 types of parabola, vertex is at the origin. So vertex at the origin, focus a0, equation of directrix x equal to minus a. Then axis of the parabola. Axis for this parabola is x-axis, because this parabola is symmetric about x-axis. Symmetric about x-axis. Therefore, axis of this parabola is x-axis. So these are the specialty of this parabola. Now second type parabola is here. In this first type, it is opening right side. So this is opening left side. Vertex is at the origin itself. Vertex is at the origin, and this is opening left. So the equation is y square equal to minus 4ax. This is y square equal to 4ax. This is y square equal to negative 4ax. Remember, a is always a positive number. A is positive number. So this is y square equal to negative 4ax, and focus will be inside. So here this is negative side of x-axis. So inside means that will be negative. Negative a comma 0 is the focus. And directrix will be outside. This outside of parabola. And it is in the right side, positive side of x-axis. And directrix is a line parallel to y-axis. So equation will be x equal to a constant, and that constant is a, x equal to a. So from the equation y square equal to minus 4ax, we can find a. So that x equal to a is the equation of directrix. Focus minus a 0, and axis same, x-axis, and lattice rectum same. Lattice rectum is same for all the 4 types of parabola. So lattice rectum and vertex, these two are same for all the 4 types of parabola. So for this focus minus a 0, equation of directrix x equal to a, then axis x-axis, then directrix equation of directrix x equal to a. Now third type of parabola is this one. And here this is x-axis, y-axis, and vertex of the parabola is at the origin. Vertex is at the origin, and focus is inside. So here focus is inside, here on the y-axis. So in these 2 cases, focus lies on x-axis. Here focus lies on y-axis. So the coordinates will be 0, a. It is a point of y-axis, therefore x coordinate will be 0. So 0a is the focus for this parabola, vertex at the origin, and equation of directrix. Here directrix is parallel to x-axis. Therefore the equation of line parallel to x-axis is y equal to a constant, and that line is in the negative side. So y equal to minus a. Equation of directrix is y equal to minus a. And latus rectum same 4a. Axis of the parabola is y-axis. So these two types parabola, type 3, type 4. For these two, the axis of the parabola is y-axis. For these two, y square equal to 4ax, y square equal to minus 4ax. Axis of the parabola is x-axis. Here equation is x square equal to 4ay. Here fourth type x square equal to minus 4ay. So x square equal to 4ay opening upwards. And here x square equal to negative 4ay opening downwards. And for this fourth type focus is in the negative side. So it is 0 negative a. Focus is 0 negative a. Here also focus lies on y-axis. Therefore x coordinate 0 and y coordinate is minus a. 0 minus a is the focus. And equation of directrix is y equal to a. Because this is in the positive side of y-axis. Here positive side. Therefore equation of that directrix is y equal to positive a. Y equal to a. Here equation of directrix y equal to minus a. Here focus 0a. Here focus 0 negative a. Because this is in the negative side. So vertex same 0 0. Length of latus rectum same for all the four parabola for 4a. Length of the latus rectum is 4a. Here also axis of the parabola is y-axis. So in these two cases, axis of the parabola is y-axis. These two cases, axis is x-axis. So these are the things you have to remember. So all the four types parabola you have to remember. From the comparing with the standard form equation of the parabola, you can find a. Compare, remember a is always a positive number. A is always positive. So in this parabola equation is y square equal to 4ax. So y square equal to 4ax this type, and y square equal to negative 4ax means opening the other side, left side. So here opening upwards x square equal to 4ay and opening downwards x square equal to minus 4ay. So here in these two, remember these four types. Figure you remember, then always remember focus always inside and directrix outside. And both we know from the distance of the focus, see focus at equal distance of the focus from the origin. That is same as distance of this line, directrix from the origin. So these two distances are equal. So this is positive, this origin, a intersection point of x-axis and y-axis. So from the origin the distance is a. So focus is a comma 0. Here this distance is a itself. That is why, because it is an equation parallel to y-axis, the equation is x equal to a constant. That constant is minus a because it is the negative side, x equal to minus. So remember these four types of parabola. Now we will do exercise 11.2. First one. First question. We have to find y square equal to 12x. Second, x square equal to 6y. So we have to find these things. That is, we have to find the focus, axis of the parabola, directrix and length of the latus rectum. These four things we have to find for this parabola. So first when you get the equation, compare, remember which type of parabola. See, this is in the form y square equal to 12x. So compare which standard form. In four standard forms, which form is this equation. So it is in the form y square equal to 4ax. So it is in the form y square. Compare with that form. Y square equal to 4ax. So that is first type of parabola, and equation that parabola is like this. This is the first type. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, this is the parabola, this is the vertex, and here focus will be A0 and directrix will be in the left side. That is, equation will be x equal to minus a. So this is the type of parabola, y square equal to 4ax. So we want to find focus, directrix, and length of the latus rectum and axis. So here axis of the parabola is x-axis, and compare with the standard form y square equal to 12x. So comparing with the standard form, the 4a, we can write 4a equal to 12. So we get a is equal to 3. So we got a. So we can write the all the things. So we can write focus. Focus equal to A0. Here we got A equal to 3. So focus equal to A0, that is equal to 3, 0. So focus is 3, 0. Then equation of directrix. Equation of directrix is, that is x equal to minus a. X equal to negative a, that is x equal to negative 3. Here we got a equal to 3. X equal to negative 3. Then axis, x-axis. X-axis, then length of the latus rectum. Length of latus rectum, that is equal to 4a. 3, a is 3. So 4 into 3, that is equal to 12. So we got length of the latus rectum 12. So we got all these things. Similarly, we can find the, for second question. Second, x square equal to 6y. Okay, we'll do in the next session.